Good morning. In this week's tech tutorial, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create and launch your very own ERC20 token on the Ethereum network. Hi, I'm Sushant from EC Infosolutions and we provide blockchain consulting services. We work extensively with both major Tier 3 platforms, Ethereum network and Hyperledger Fabric. Last year, ICOs were overhyped, but this year ICOs have started becoming more mature with clear regulatory frameworks and venture capital interest. For the first 5 months of 2018, over 500 new coins and tokens were launched, raising more than $13 billion. Which means on an average, ICOs are launched every month, raising more than $2 million each. So what exactly is happening in the ICO market? Why are investors so keen on new cryptocurrencies? Well, the reality is ICOs have in part replaced the way many startups are being funded today by investors. With built-in safeguards such as smart contracts and proof of work, it has become easier for investors to work with startups and release payment in tranches based on certain milestones achieved by the startup. For today, we are going to learn how you can create your very own ERC20 token and launch it on the Ropsten Ethereum network. This demonstration is provided by our very own resident blockchain developer, Dinesh. Over to you, Dinesh.
Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well and let's get started. First step is going to be creating a new Ethereum address. To get started, go to My Ether Wallet. My Ether Wallet is a popular open source client-side interface to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. On the website, click on the top right hand side corner to change the network to Ropsten. Make sure you're on the Ropsten network. Now to create a new wallet, enter a password of your choice. Then create new wallet, download your keystore file, continue ahead. This is your private key, copy your private key. I'm going to be saving the private key in a text file. You can then enter your account using your private key. Unlock. After you unlock your wallet, you can see that we do not have any Ether right now. Let's get some Ropsten Ethers which we would be needing to deploy the contract. So for the step 2, go to the link provided in the description below. Here we can get some Ethers by providing a wallet address. But first let's save our address in a text file as we would be needing it later. So go back to My Ether Wallet, copy your wallet address and save it. So let's go back to the website, paste our address here and click on Send me one test Ether. As you can see, our request has been accepted and we should be able to see the Ether in our wallet after a few minutes. So go back to My Ether Wallet, view wallet info, enter a wallet using a private key, and as you can see, we have successfully received the Ropsten Ether and we can proceed towards the next step. We do not have to program the contract from scratch as I have provided a link to the code in the description. Now select the entire code, copy and paste it in your favorite text editor. I am using Sublime Text here. If you scroll to the top, you can see in the comment section that there are few predefined variables like name of the token, symbol, total supply and decimals. Let's start by changing the name of the token. You can choose any name as you like, but make sure that there are no spaces. I'm going to choose My New Token. Keep the symbol short. Let's keep it MNT. We are keeping the total supply of tokens as 100 tokens here. Decimals represent the number of parts a token can be broken down into. The standard length is 18. We are using 0 here. Now let's scroll down to make changes in the actual code. On line 102, we have to change the token name to what we chose earlier. So in this case, My New Token. On the line 116, change the symbol name to the one you chose earlier. Replace the name at line 117 and 1152. Now we are going to define the address through which the contract is going to be deployed. Let's copy our Ethereum address from the text file and paste it in line 120, line 121 and also line 6. In this way, we are making sure that we are the owners of the token and we receive them after the contract is deployed. We are done editing the contract. Now let's go to the next step. Copy the edited code and head over to Remix. Remix is a web browser based IDE and we would be compiling a smart contract here. Link to Remix IDE is provided in the link in the description below. Paste the code here and click on Start to compile. Then under Compile, select the name of your token. So in this case, my new token, and click on Details. We would be needing the bytecode to deploy the smart contract. Scroll down and you can see the bytecode section. Click on Copy to Clipboard and let's head over to My Ether Wallet for the next step. To deploy the contract, click on the Contract section, select Deploy Contract and paste the bytecode that we had copied. Now we are going to make some changes here. We only want to keep the object from the bytecode. So scroll over to the top, remove the initial code like this and add 0x. Scroll down to where the object ends, right here. Select all the code under it and delete it. Once you delete, you can see the gas limit is automatically updated. Now scroll down, enter your private key, and sign the transaction. Hit Deploy Contract and confirm. That's it. Our contract has been successfully deployed. Now let's check the transaction status. On My Ether Wallet, click on View Wallet Info, enter your wallet using your private key, and click on the link under Transaction History. If you do not see the transaction here, just hit refresh. As you can see, our contract transaction has been created 41 seconds ago. Let's check our contract overview by clicking on this link. This is a contract address. Let's save it in a text file. Next step is registering the contract. This is going to be important for various reasons, mainly verifying the validity of your token to the public. Under Code, click on Verify and Publish. Scroll down. Enter the contract name which we used in the code. You can refer to line 8 here. For the compiler version, go to the Remix page and look at the URL. Match the compiler version from the URL to the version in the list. Select Optimization as No. Copy the Solidity code from the text editor and paste it here. Scroll down. Then click on Verify and Publish. This may take few moments. That's it. You have successfully verified your token. Now the last step is adding the new token to your wallet. Head over to your wallet. In Token Balances, click on Add Custom Token. Enter your token contract address. You can copy it from the text file in which you saved the address earlier. Enter the symbol. Enter the decimals. Click on Save. As you can see, our new token has been added to our wallet. That's it. Now you have your own token. You can send the newly created token to any of your friends using their Ropsten wallet address.
I hope this tutorial gave you an idea on how to start your next blockchain project. Please post your questions on this tutorial in the comment section below and I'll do my best to have them answered. For more such tutorials, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.